everyone. This is me, Bridge. Let me just introduce another segment for my podcast. It's called Bridge the Gap. So every story deserves to be heard and hindi naman ako papayag na puro stories ko lang ang mafe-feature sa bawat episodes ko dito sa podcast ko. So, if ever you have questions, you're going through something difficult, or you're celebrating breakthrough, or maybe you have a story that you could encourage other people, you can now send us your messages and message us your story. So your experiences, questions, and life lessons could be featured sa mga susunod pang episodes na darating ng ating Bridge the Gap, where we can have honest conversations and offer encouragement and remind each other that no one has to walk this life's journey alone. So you can stay anonymous if you prefer. We can hide your identity for sure 100% because sometimes sharing your story can help someone else find hope also. As I promised, this will be an open space for everyone. So don't be shy to message me and I will reply as much as I can. So you can send us your story through our social media accounts. You can message our Facebook or Instagram account and you can actually send us an email. So send us your story and let's bridge the gap, one conversation at a time. Looking forward to your messages. Have a nice day. Bye.